Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this very beautiful, unique dial Citizen automatic 21 jewels watch. So this is a beautiful, almost mint condition, let's say 80s or even 70s Citizen automatic watch with the date complication. So as you can see, we have a double date, the day of the week and the day of the month. The most interesting part about this watch is most likely the dial, which as you can see is very beautiful and unique. You are able to see a lot of different reflections given the angle that you look at the watch. The watch is powered, as I mentioned, by an automatic movement, meaning you need to wear it in order to wind it. It also features the manual winding option, so this is something really cool about these vintage Citizen 21 jewels watches. As you can see, it comes on the vintage original stainless steel Citizen bracelet, so signed by Citizen, so a very beautiful piece. Here on the back you can see that it features the original screw down back Citizen Watch Co. with all the information about the watch. We have another interesting similar model right here, this time with the wide dial, the 3-star 21 jewel Citizen automatic piece. So very beautiful pieces. And also, as you can see on the table, we have a large selection of Citizen quartz and mechanical watches. We also have a chronograph, an eco drive, so a large variety of Citizen vintage 70s, 80s, 90s pieces. If you are interested in browsing through them, I will leave a link in the description below to our website vintageradar.com, so make sure to check them out. And also, if you enjoy this type of content about watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel guys, and I'm going to see you on the next video.